Shade the solution set for the given system of inequalities. X is greater than 2 and y is less than 2x. First, we graph the boundary lines. This one would be x equals 2, and it will be dashed because there's no equal to part in the inequality symbol. X equals 2 is the vertical line passing through the x-axis at 2. And x is greater than 2 would be all of the x values on this right-hand half plane that's to the right, of course, of that line. Now, for y is less than 2x, we graph y equals 2x, and again, it's a dashed line because there's no equal to part in the inequality. Y equals 2x has a y-intercept of 0. It passes through the origin. The slope is 2, which is the equivalent of 2 over 1. So we go up 2 and over 1. Now we draw a dashed line going through those 2 points. Now you can either choose a test point, which we could choose, for instance, 1, 0 right here. And when I substitute 0 for y and 1 for x, we get 0 is less than 2 times 1 is 2. And that's, of course, true. And that means we shade in the side or the half plane that contains that point 1, 0. The other way is if you recognize y is less than 2x, we want the y values that are below that line. So either way, we end up saying that it is these values here that satisfy that inequality. So the solution to both of them is their intersection, where they overlap. So where they overlap is, of course, this cross-hatched area. It is bounded by y equals 2x here, and as soon as we get there, we now use x equals 2 as the boundary there. So in other words, we're going to shade in this area here and everything out there as well.